Come on.
Illinois. Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois. Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Calumet Harbor, Illinois to Gary, Indiana. Gary to Burns Harbor, Indiana. Burns Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana.
Come on, air it.
Michigan from Windsor Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. And Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a tornado watch means...
Are they seriously going to finish a tornado watch before they relay the tornado one? That is stupid.
Tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
There it is.
Northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m.
Why is that one going
for
p.m.?
Severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from Schaumburg to Glendale Heights, moving at 30 miles per hour.
Oh, that one activated. That's what it is.
Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Why is there so much
These
static?
dangerous storms will be near Addison, Rolling Meadows, and Itasca around 6:55 p.m. Arlington Heights, Lombard, Elk Grove Village, Villa Park, and Wooddale around 7 p.m. Des Plaines, Mount Prospect, Elmhurst, and Bentonville around 7:05 p.m. This includes Schaumburg Boomers baseball, including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 70 and 74. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 27 and 30. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones from McHenry, Lake, Cook, Boone, and northern Kane counties in Illinois, as well as Walworth and Kenosha. The tornado warning for northwestern DuPage and northwestern...
I still can't believe I got that PDS tornado warning.
The storms which prompted the warning have moved out of the area. Therefore, the warning will be allowed to expire. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois. A new tornado warning is now in effect for northwest and northeast counties until 7:15.
This is way worse than I thought it was going to be.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KXI-41 Crystal Lake. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will... Boone and northern Kane counties